Functions given by the problem are y equals the square root of x and y equals e to the negative 3x. The first step is to find the point of intersection, and you can do that by plugging f of x into y1, g of x into y2, and finding where the points meet. The point of intersection is 0.2387, 0.4886.
So the first part of the problem is asking you to find the area of R. So to do that, you'll have to set up an integral with your limits. Your limits in the integral would be the left point and the right point, the left point being on the bottom of your integrand and the right point being on the top. Your left point is the x value that you get from the point of intersection, so you plug that into the bottom, and your right point would be x equals 1 because that's the line that they give you in the beginning of the problem. And then inside of your integral, you do the top minus the bottom function, and over here you can see that f of x is the top because it's above g of x. So you plug those values in, and you do dx, and then using Math 9 in your calculator, you plug all of the values in, and you get 0.422.
Who's the high school music?
Part B is asking you to find the volume of R as you rotate it around y equals 1. So to do this, you use the formula pi times the integral from the left point to the right point. The left point is the x value in the intersection point, and then the right point is x equals 1. On the inside, you will have the r outer squared minus the r inner squared dx. For the inside, you will have 1 minus e to the negative 3x minus 1 minus square root of x. And you have 1 minus the function since y equals 1 is above the graph up here. When you plug all that into your calculator, you get 0.453 pi.
Part C is asking for the volume of R using rectangular cross sections with a height 5 times the length. The length of R is going to be the top function minus the bottom function, so the length is going to be the square root of x minus e to the negative 3x. Since the height is 5 times the length, the height is just going to be 5 times the square root of x minus e to the negative 3x.
To find the volume of the cross-sectional area of the rectangle, you do the left point to the right point of the area of the rectangle, which is length times height, and those are given to you right here. So when you plug it into your integral, the answer is 1.554.